Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today we are doing some makeup. This is the makeup look that I did for the Mary Kay Awards. So stay to the end to see the award that I got. So we're just about to beat this face because we can't go to the Mary Kay Award with our face messed up. You know what I'm saying? So we had to beat that face out. So I'm going in with my Mary Kay foundation, of course. And I'm just buffing that in using this Real Techniques brush. I still have to get my Mary Kay brushes, so y'all know when I get those, I'm going to show them to you. But for right now, I'm trying to get a good use of my old brushes. I would rather, put my money toward product right now to build my Mary Kay business, and I'll get the brushes, later on. So I applied the foundation, I highlighted. Now I'm setting the highlight, and then I'm going to set the overall foundation. Okay, so it is January at the moment, and this was back in October, November. So I'm trying to get all of these videos out. I have had a lot of stuff going on. I feel like I say that in every video, but it's just a lot, y'all. Y'all know I'm doing a lot. I'm in a lot of different companies, and I'm enjoying it. It's just a lot of work, So I'm trying to get these videos out to you, trying to get a nice schedule. I think I want to I know I want to get back to posting every day, but trying to think about what I want to post each day. And it's a new segment that I want to bring to you all. So just, working out all of the logistics, as well as taking the time to edit. So I do have some new editing software, so hopefully the editing process will be a little smoother, a little faster. So today, this is the third video that I have worked on, so that's great. So hopefully we can get, this YouTube train moving. Thank you for everybody who has been subscribing since the last video, and we about to get into it. Okay, so I highlighted, contour, add my blush, doing the lips, all of that good stuff. And now I'm adding some gloss. Y'all know I like a glossy lip, so I like to do my lipstick and then I put a gloss on top of it. And all of this is Mary Kay, by the way. Now I'm going in with my brows, and same thing, outlining them, filling them in. The hair that I'm wearing tonight is the big fluffy hair. So with that kind of hair, brows wise, I can go either thick or thin on the brows. But today we're just kind of keeping them, a little thin. I think I had recently tweezed my brows, and that's why they were looking so snatched. But like I said, this was October, November, and this is January now, about to be February. So I'm just going in with my regular routine, the light under the brow, brown in the crease, and then we're gonna pop something on the lid, and of course keeping that outer V area dark. Y'all know that's how I like it. If y'all have some specific tutorials that y'all want to see, make sure y'all put that in the comments. If you want me to do or show you how to use a specific Mary Kay product, put that in the comments as well, so I can make sure that I get that video out to y'all. Now I'm just going in with some concealer on the lid to cut the crease and give my lid color something to stick to. And I'm just going to blend this out. And then I'm going to pack my color on the lid. This appears to be a gray kind of silver shade, which, looking at this footage now, I have really been enjoying using gray and silver as an everyday color. So I'm going in with my Ultimate Mascara. And I have been wearing lashes pretty much every day, but the mascara really makes a difference. Some people may feel like, you know, you putting on lashes, why you need mascara. But I'm telling you, when you put all the powders and stuff on your face, that sits on your lashes. And if you just pop some lashes on top of all of that powder, you're going to see that in your pictures. And I have seen that in some recent pictures that some people have posted. So make sure that you coat those lashes. Make sure that you coat your real lashes with mascara so that when you pop those falsies on, everything is just going to be black. Everything is just going to blend in together and look more natural. Even though we know you got on lashes, you know, it's just going to look better, you know. So this is the look, y'all. Jewelry for days, hair just wilding. Watching this video made me want to pull this wig back out, but I had to take some pictures, you know, get the photo shoot popping and everything. I love this look. I love this wig. I'm about to go pull it out right now because this is serving. So this was the whole outfit. Y'all know I like animal print. If you don't know, now you do. This is my award, Killing the Game. And my birthday was in November, so I got the little birthday one. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for what's coming next. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's a wrap.